What's up guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Professional wrestler today from Alex again on Patreon. So, Chelsea Green, female professional wrestler, got a United States champion belt. Is she the champion? So, let's draw this landscape page, pencil eraser, hip pause. If I go too fast, he sent me this one. It's kind of like a hand up in the air, one on her hip, but the hand is kind of cut off. So, we'll zoom in anyway to the face and get going. So, big eyelashed eyes. So let's try. Up, across, down. And she has very, very big eyelashes, right? So, we go sort of in, and then across, and she's kind of smiling, so it like curves up a bit. And then we do those like massive eyelashes. Like she's, the only way I can describe it is like loads of makeup, like crazy amounts of makeup. Right, and then she's looking up and to the left. So we'll carve it around here. And then the pupil is kind of just in here. Okay, so an eyelid line then, sort of just coming around on top, just following the eye shape basically, and then another sort of eye line underneath. Very, very formed eyebrows, like say here, right? And we just go across down the back, you know, like shaped and formed and plucked and all the rest that the ladies do. Okay, so her other eye, just across about eye width, the width of her eye. You can fit an eye in between her two eyes. That's the general rule of thumb. So you want your tear ducts to sort of start on this side, and then you curve over again. Very big eyelashes. Again, it kind of curves up on her eye into the tear duct in there. That's the kind of shape. And then it's like loads of those eyelashes again. It's funny, I don't know if that's could be eyeliner, but I'll just do it like it's eyelashes. Right, and she's looking up and to the left, so we just go there. In her pupil, just a black circle, maybe thin, just to make it look like she's looking more that way. You know, if you make a circle a slightly skinnier than a perfect circle, it makes it look like an ellipse, so it makes it look like it's turned, you know, so it's not like perfectly round. Just a little trick. You just make it thinner. Her eyelid line just there. Okay. And then she does have like slight bags underneath her eye. Sorry, Chelsea, I know women don't. If you ever watch this, which you probably won't. I'm not insulting. And then eyebrow comes up, down, then a bit of a nose line or something there. So the hair is like, you know, that sort of pageant kind of hair, very like she's been to the hairdressers. It's all very flowy and blow dried and all that stuff. So let's try the bridge of her nose. Goes down this way, and then it kind of just curves around the tip of it there. And then her nostrils just below, so one there, one there. And then the skin of her nostrils just out around the outside. And then on this side as well. Okay, and the tip of her nose kind of just forms a little V, just sort of there. And I'll just shadow this up a little bit just to make it look darker. That's all I do for her nose. So she's smiling heavily, right? So she's got like cheek lines just here coming out from her nose, the corners of her nostrils there, high cheekbones. And they kind of like curve around the corners of her mouth a little bit. She might have like a little dimple or something in there. And then mouth, so pursed sort of lips, smiling. This is the center line first, sort of curving up at the corners. And then her top lip. Lots of lipstick and stuff. And then her bottom lip just down here. Maybe just like a little line for her chin then. Right, so her chin, relatively round sort of chin. So it just joins the shape for her face, you know, kind of just keeps going this way. And then curves around her jaw. Tricky enough little shape. So it's kind of like, yeah, she's more of a rounder face than, what's that? So it goes this way. It's like her sideburn up here. I was like wondering if it was her hair or, so this just like goes in here. Right, and then I think her cheekbone is kind of sticking out a little bit here. And nearly joins that dimple line. Can't really see it on the other side, but it's maybe just a little suggestion of it just to keep it kind of the same on both sides, you know. So the rest of her sort of forehead is kind of covered by her hair. So like there's a little sort of sideburn sort of thing here, like a V, but then the rest is all this big flowy hair, right? So to find the top of her forehead, measure her nose. So from the nostrils to the eyebrow, come up about that much. And then we'll add this sort of V just there, right, for the part in her hair. And then her hair sort of flows down from here. Might have a little bit of hairline texture just coming across either side. but then it basically hugs her face, like real tight to her face, right? And then it starts to like just come down across her face here. And she's got like textures going that way. And then we start to get all these hairlines and stuff. So lots of texture then on this hair. And it's all, I mean, you might see a little bit of her ear either side, but mostly it's just like her hair coming down. Just kind of hugging her neck, sort of in there. And her neck this side. So that's all hair in there. And then a little bit of her earlobe. And an earring on it, I think. Is that an earring? Or is it her ear? I'll put her ear in there anyway. Over that way. All right, and then you get lots of this twisting. And some hair spikes just at the end. So all this hair kind of flowing together then. We have to do something similar on this side, except it goes down behind her back on this side, so it kind of just flows that way. Okay, so that's kind of what we're dealing with hair-wise. Because the rest goes down behind her. Might be a little bit sitting on top of her shoulder, but we can see her neck muscles then. All right, so kind of like a strap top kind of thing, black one. Shoulders going, well, we got to do the strap first. So it kind of like goes this way. Strap there, and then the other one, I think, comes out from her hair here, right? And then it like cuts across her chest down this way, right? So then her trapezius, her neck muscle here. And then, so very thin sort of shoulder, not a muscly wrestler. So I think her collarbone should be like there maybe. So then shoulder and so armpit kind of here, shoulder muscle in there. And then tricep, yeah, sort of goes this way, very thin arms. Bicep here, real long. And then it comes down to an elbow at a certain point. Where's that other image? I had a picture of the full arm somewhere. Yeah, so like forearm going that way. And then like elbow. And then down here. And her hand is kind of just on her hip. So kind of thin enough sort of arms now. Maybe make it a bit wider here. So just into her wrist. Just there. So just making it a bit wider, like her elbow there. And I'll just erase that line. Sorry, it was a bit too thin when I was looking at it. Okay, so other arm, so an armpit, so her other shoulder is kind of high up, right? So it's coming out from her hair, and then her bicep is here, and then her arm goes up and off my page, right? So the hand is kind of cut off. And then her tricep, sort of here, right? You get sort of like armpit kind of area there, and then her back muscle there, and then this comes up that way. I think we get like a little bit of elbow. Maybe her arms just are thin arms. Looks pretty thin on this side as well. Right, and then, so this black top kind of just comes down around her chest here. Right, we get maybe like a fold just there, and then comes down. And then the other side, same, except it's kind of cut off by the belt. Now there's all writing and stuff on this, so you can do that if you want. It would take quite a while to draw. It's like Chelsea, says Chelsea like 4 or 5 times. Okay. And then her wrestling belt. So it's like here. Her championship belt. Coming up across her stomach. Down. Like so. And then like, I think just her hip kind of bumps off this way, right? And then her arm is just like, her hand just goes down beside her, resting on her hip, but just under the belt there. Right, so it's just some details on the belt. I won't be able to do all the details, but I can separate out the boxes that we can see here. So the one that says champion. It's like an edge to this, like edge lines and stuff. I can do the W, I'd say, and maybe we can write champion as well. Yeah, there's all like textures around all that. Maybe I'll do the champion. So it's just like square lettering. So let's say C, very large. Whoops. Yeah, CH. How do you spell champion? It's been a while since I was in school. It kind of bends around, I think. So it comes like down. Champion. The N is bigger, I think. All right, Chelsea Green. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.